Have you ever wondered why Japanese has so many small particles like wa, ga, de and no? They are just one character, but if you use the wrong one, your whole sentence can sound very strange. This video is quite efficient. If you watch my lesson 1 of JLPT N5 grammar pinned at the right top of the video covering basic tenses in Japanese and the specific usage of des, deska, devarimasen, devarimasen deshita, deshtaka, etc. Hello minasan, konnichiwa. This is Trailing of Japanese Sensei. In lesson 2, I am going to explain the particles such as wa, ga, de and no in very simple way. Along with these examples, let us also deep dive the difference between the usage of wa and ga particles so that even a beginner can easily understand the specific usage according to the situation. Let's make Japanese particles easy. Without further wait, let's get into the topic. The first particle is wa. Even though in writing you may pronounce it as ha, but while reading along with the sentence, we need to pronounce this as wa. The first sentence pattern, noun 1 wa, noun 2 this. When a speaker is trying to explain about any topic in a sentence, that person will use the particle wa. It is also called a topic maker because it is not talks about the person who is speaking about the content, it is talking about the topic of the sentence. Noun 1 wa, noun 2 this means the focus is more on the noun 2, that is the word after wa particle gains the focus. Let's see one example sentence. Tanaka-san wa sensei desu. Look into the vocabulary. Sensei means teacher. Yes. As part of the explanation of the example, the speaker of the sentence describe Mr. Tanaka is a teacher. Again, since we are using the particle wa, the focus is more on the topic, that is, what is Mr. Tanaka is the point to be noted. The next particle, ga. The pattern is almost same like noun 1 ga, noun 2 this. When a speaker is trying to identify a specific thing in a sentence, uses the ga particle. So, it is called as subject particle. As part of the pattern, noun 1 ga, noun 2 this means focusing more on the noun 1 instead of noun 2. Let's deep dive with the example sentence. Dore ga mizu desu ka? Dore ga mizu desu ka? Look into the vocabulary. Dore means which. Mizu means water. So, speaker is asking which one is the water. Here the highlight of the sentence is which, not about the water. Because imagine a situation where two glasses kept in front of you and one is filled with water and one is filled with the soda. You wanted to know which one is water. So, you have to use ga particle, not wa. Altogether, if you use wa particle, the word or the content after the wa gets the focus. Invariably, if you use ga, the before portion will gain the focus. That is a simple difference. So, you may use it according to the situation you face. Now, let's see the de particle. De particle is having a lot of usages in Japanese, but the basic thing is it is a connector. Like it will connect both the sentence together and make a compound sentences. Let's see an example sentence. Ame desu is one sentence. Yasumi desu is another sentence. Look into the vocabulary. Ame means rain. Yasumi means holiday. So, if you use de particle between these two sentences, you can easily make these two sentences into single one, which is ame de yasumi desu. You may have to cut down this at the end of the first sentence and replace with the de so that it becomes the compound sentence. Ame de yasumi desu means it's raining and it's a holiday. Simple, isn't it? Now let us see the no particle. No particle pattern also, noun 1 no, noun 2 this. When a speaker is trying to express something is belong to someone, which will brings up with a no particle. It is widely used to claim to whom a product is belongs to or a person belongs to which company, etc. Let's see with an example. Yamamoto-san no passporto desu. Look into the vocabulary. Passporto means passport. Yes. If we deep dive into the meaning, then it is Yamamoto-san's passport, or this passport belongs to Yamamoto-san. Now you understood the usage of wa and ga particle and how they and no particles are used in a general sentence. Let's see some of the conversation using these four particles for more practice.
こんにちは。どなたが山本さんですか？
私が山本です。
こんにちは。どなたが山本さんですか？
私が山本です。
山本さんはジニアですか？
いいえ、私はエンジニアではありません。
そうですか。わかりました。ありがとうございます。山本さんはジニアですか？
いいえ、私はエンジニアではありません。
そうですか。わかりました。ありがとうございます。
はじめまして、私は ABC テクノロジーのメイリです。アメリカ人です。よろしくお願いします。はじめまして、私は ABC テクノロジーのメイリです。アメリカ人です。よろしくお願いします。
今日、学校はお休みですか？
はい、雨で休みです。
そうですか。わかりました。今日、学校はお休みですか？
はい、雨で休みです。
そうですか。わかりました。
I hope you enjoyed the conversation. In our next video, let us see the place words, that is, kore, sore, are. Without these three words, it is difficult to speak Japanese. My kind advice to you, please get familiar with hiragana, katakana and vocabulary sets before starting the grammar. But I understand it may not be possible for all the members to follow this order. So, I have exclusively explained the new words we used in our example sentence during this grammar lesson as well. So don't worry, but please focus vocabulary even after watching this video for better takeaway. I believe this video is informative and helpful for the beginners. Please subscribe to Trilingo Japanese Sensei channel and enable the bell icon to get the regular updates. Please reach out in the comment section if you have any doubts. Happy learning. Mite kurete. Arigatou.